name's Brooklyn.
And Mora Te Winton School, I'm Brandon. It's Rāpa the 19th of August.
We start today with Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is tangi,
which is te reo for crying, as in kei te tangi te pipi. The baby is crying.
Shh. Okay, some health and safety news. There is still a bit of ice out there, people.
Please make sure you are watching out for areas that are slippery and be mindful when you are walking around corners.
Okay, a big congratulations to the senior students who have made it into the Winton School SMAC Maths teams competing at the end of Term 3.
Could the following students please see Mrs. Mine at 10:30 today? Year 8s, AJ, Justin, Gabby, Aaron and Jack Kincaid.
And Year 7s, Via, Holly, Macy, Briley and Jack Wallace. Kia ora.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing and wearing the high-vis vest to and from school. Please do likewise.
Wrap upper is Library Day. Kick your shoes off and enjoy a good book.
The library is open from 12:40 for returns, browsing and issues.
And if you miss any of these notices, you can play the news again or can read all the notices in the text box below.
A big day for Lucy White, turning 10 today, double digits.
Happy birthday, Lucy. Have a great day.
And that's all for today from everyone at the NEWS team. Kia kite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay off the ice, Winton School.